Hi mga palangga! Kamusta kayo? In this video, I will share to you about what I like with my Union Bank Rewards Visa Platinum Credit Card, and I will share to you as well mga palangga yung mga nag-experience ko of using this card. Kalahating taon ko na rin ginagamit itong Union Bank Rewards Visa Platinum since I got this, and ginawan ko din siya ng video mga palangga before, yung mga naging application process, yung mga na-experience ko sa application process nila, which is very smooth, tsaka ang bilis ko lang nakuha itong card na ito. This was also my first credit card kay Union Bank, and I'm so happy that I was able to take advantage yung kanilang welcome gift promo of no annual fee for life. And currently mga palangga, ongoing pa rin yung kanilang promotion up until December 31 of 2025. This promotion mga palangga is only applicable sa mga first timer na kukuha ng credit card kay Union Bank. That means dapat wala ka pang existing credit card kay UB to take advantage this welcome gift promo. So the only requirement mga palangga ng promotion nila is you just need to spend at least 20,000 pesos within 60 days from approval date. And pwede siyang paunti-unti mga palangga hanggat mabuo yung 20,000 pesos total na ni-required na spending as long as within 60 days from approval date. So, makukuha at matitake advantage natin yung kanilang offer. And I was able to complete that required spending naman mga palangga, and based sa experience ko, I waited like mga 2 to 3 months bago ko na-receive yung text confirmation nila na waive na yung annual fee na to for life. And this is also my first credit card na NAFFL. And ang kagandahan kasi ng mga ganitong card na no annual fees is less hassle na siya. Hindi ko na kailangan pa mag-worry about sa mga annual fees, and it's up to me kung gusto kong gamitin tong card na ito or hindi. So I'm sure na tatagal talaga at makikip ko talaga itong card na ito sa akin despite of having multiple credit cards na din. Pero dahil NAFFL siya mga palangga, so I guess makikip ko talaga itong card na ito. And like with me, other credit cards mga palangga na merong annual fee tapos meron siyang required annual spending para lang ma-waive yung annual fee, or kailangan ko pang mag-reach out sa customer service nila para ma-waive yung annual fee. Pero this card, so less hassle na siya sa akin and no need for me to call or reach out sa kanilang customer service para magpa-waive. Plus, matitake advantage ko pa yung mga benefits and other features na ina-offer ni Union Bank. And by the way, if you're also interested getting this card at wala pa kayong credit card kay Union Bank, so you may also consider mga palangga using my referral link. Lagay ko sa description box below this video, pati na rin sa comment section, and that way you will be able to take advantage as well the ongoing promotion of no annual fee for life. So all of their application mga palangga, whether you have an existing credit card from the other banks or first timer magkaroon ng credit card, so it will still fall under their evaluation pa rin naman. Pero malay nyo diba, ma-approve yung application, since I heard na madaming na-approve sa ganitong type ng card. Another one that I really like from this card mga palangga is yung kanyang reward system. So every time that I'll be using this card, I'm earning 1 point for every 30 pesos spend. So let's say for example na magpa-purchase ako amounting of 300 pesos. So i-divide ko lang siya sa 30. That means I'm earning 10 points for that 300 pesos spend. And this card is perfect mga palangga, especially when it comes for dining and also for shopping spending, kasi magiging triple yung points na ma-earn natin. So let's say for example nga kanina that I spend 300 pesos pero nakapag-spend ako sa restaurant or for shopping. So instead na 10 points lang ma-earn ko, magiging times 3 pa siya, which will be a total of 30 points. And the points that we can earn from this card mga palangga is walang expiry. That means pwede natin siya ipunin hanggat kailan natin gusto, pwede natin siya i-redeem hanggat kailan natin gusto. So, nasa sa atin. And those points, we can redeem it to miles, vouchers, or cash credits, and more. And for me, maybe that's the reason kung bakit kinonsider siya sa platinum card, kasi mukhang mas rewarding siya compared from the basic credit cards. Bago tayo magpatuloy, napansin ko lang sa YouTube analytics ko na 95% of my viewers ay hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa channel na ito. So, kung gusto niyo ng ganito mga contents mga palangga, and if you've been watching my vlogs na din, maybe it's time for you na to consider clicking that subscribe button to support me. Maraming salamat po. And going back, isa pa sa pinaka nagustuhan ko talaga dito sa Union Bank Credit Card is yung access sa Pay Direct feature. So, this Pay Direct feature mga palangga is almost the same with Cash Advance. Ang pinakaiba niya lang sa Cash Advance kasi is we can withdraw money from the ATMs. Pero dito naman sa Pay Direct, we can convert the portion of our credit limit into cash credit in the form of bank transfer. Though it says dun sa kanilang card fees na merong fee yung Pay Direct, which is up to 3% service fee. Pero basic experience ko naman mga palangga from the time that I started using PayDirect, 0% naman siya mga palangga up until now. So kung ano lang talaga yung ginamit ko sa PayDirect, that's also exactly the same amount na nag-reflect sa monthly statement ko. Kaya naman gamit na gamit ko talaga itong feature ng PayDirect dito sa Union Bank credit card ko mga palangga, especially sa mga other regular spending ko na hindi nag-accept ng credit card. Example nga nito mga palangga is yung condo juice namin dahil walang option to pay directly using our credit card and GCash lang yung option dun sa biller. So, ang ginagawa ko, take advantage ko yung PayDirect option na kung saan natatransfer ko yung credit limit ko into my GCash, like a bank transfer, then saka ako magbabayad dun sa GCash. So, every month ko siyang ginagawa mga palangga sa mga monthly condo juice namin. And isa pa sa kagandahan nitong type ng card mga palangga, itong Union Bank Rewards Visa Platinum is nag-earn din ng points yung PayDirect. And naman naging rewarding din yung mga PayDirect transactions ko. And honestly, for the past 5 months, puro PayDirect na lang talaga lahat ng mga naging transactions ko with this Union Bank credit card. Another one that I really like mga palangga with Union Bank is yung kanyang posting ng payment. So dahil meron ako existing savings account sa kanila, which is yung UMID ATM pay card ko sa SSS na no maintaining balance, so nagagamit ko or nakakapagbayad ako directly mismo doon sa Union Bank app. Every time ako nagpa-process ng payment doon sa Union Bank app, real-time yung kanyang posting ng payment. At dahil real-time siya nagpo-post yung payment, real-time din na bumabalik yung credit limit na nagamit ko with my credit card. So gusto ko din yung overall features ng kanilang Union Bank app. Kasi sa kanilang app mga palangga, parang nandun na lahat. Like, I get to see all of my transactions, kahit pending pa siya or hindi. I get to see the option for installment, for card control, and more. And aside from that, dun ko din na ma-monitor yung mga na-earn kong points and also the option for redemption. Kaya parang all-in-one na talaga yung kanilang Union Bank app. Parang you don't need not to reach out sa customer service. Parang konti na lang yung mga i-reach out mo sa customer service kasi karamihan ng mga options are available na doon sa kanilang Union Bank app. And kudos din pala sa kanilang customer service, especially yung process lang kanilang automated system, like tuwing nag-reach out ako sa kanila, lagi mini-mention ng automated system kung ilang minutes yung waiting time bago ako makakuha ng representative. Unlike with the other banks na parang hindi mo alam kung may sasagot ba talaga kapag matagal yung kanilang waiting time. Pero dito kay Union Bank, so para magkakaroon ka talaga ng idea kung ilang minutes ka mag-aantay sa line para makakuha ng representative. And tuwing may mga concerns naman ako, I always get assistance that I need. So overall, I'm happy with this Union Bank Rewards credit card mga palangga, and ma-recommend ko talaga siya, especially sa mga beginners. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching this vlog. And don't forget as well to like and subscribe for more contents like this. Again, this is John Paul, and always remember to be kind to yourself and to others. See you in our next vlog. Bye!